अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। हमने सारा सेकंड चैप्टर जो है वो डिस्कस कर लिया हुआ है। आज हम समरी डिस्कस करेंगे सेकंड चैप्टर की। अ बॉडी इज सेड टू बी एट रेस्ट इफ इट डज नॉट चेंज इट्स पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स सराउंडिंग। A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. Rest and motion are always relative. There is no such thing as absolute rest or absolute motion. Motion can be divided into following three types: translatory motion, in which a body moves without any rotation; rotatory motion, in which a body spins about its axis; vibratory motion, in which a body moves to and fro about its main position. Physical quantities which are completely described by their magnitude only are known as scalars. Physical quantities which are described by their magnitudes and directions are called vectors. Uh, Positions means the location of a certain place or object from a reference point. The shortest distance between 2 points is called a displacement. The distance traveled in any direction of a body in unit time is called speed. If the speed of a body doesn't change with the time, then its speed is uniform. Average speed of a body is the ratio of the total distance covered to the total time taken. We define velocity as the rate of change of displacement or speed in specific direction. Average velocity of a body is defined as the ratio of its net displacement to the total time. If a body covers equal and displacement in equal interval of time, however small the interval may be, then its velocity is said to be uniform. The rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration. A body has uniform acceleration if it has equal changes in its velocity in equal intervals of time, however small the interval may be. Graph is a pictorial way of describing information as to how various quantities are related to each other. Slope of the distance time graph gives the speed of the body. Distance time graphs provide useful information about the motion of an object. Slope of the displacement time graph gives the velocity of the body. Distance covered by a body is equal to area under speed time graph. Speed time graph is also useful for studying motion along a straight line. The distance traveled by a body can also be found from the area under a velocity time graph if the motion is along in a straight line. Next है हमारे पास when a body is dropped freely, it falls down with an acceleration towards earth. This acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity and is denoted by g. The numerical value of g is approximately 10 meter per second square near the surface of the earth.